This is your reading for today. Your cards are planting the seeds and making a move. After something ended in your life, a chapter that closed in your life, you started planting the seeds for a new beginning in a new direction. After this close that came into your life, some kind of a chapter that has ended where you took the time to balance your emotions and your logical side, and you took the time to balance the different elements around you, and you started planting the seeds of moving in a different direction. Now, in this journey, there could be somebody who is like a companion to you, and see, it doesn't always have to be romantic. A companion could also be a friend, it could be a sibling, it could be a parent, but somebody who is a companion with you, uh, and both of you have the same kind of a vision or a goal, but you are doing it in a different manner, and the other person is suggesting or doing it in a different manner. You are somebody who is pretty independent and has their own way of thinking and doing things, and you could also be somebody who has some kind of dreams or visions which is connected to a larger community in some manner, and you are very confident about doing it in your own way. Your past experience has taught you that. Now, this other person could be giving you suggestions which to you sound a little aggressive, a little critical, but just try to understand that they are not trying to create obstacles in your path, and they are not uh, being toxic. Their manner of saying could be a little rough, it could be a little aggressive, but there are some valuable suggestions under that. So take your time and remove the fear that this companion is trying to dislodge me. It's not like that. You also have a fear somewhere that if I strike out on my own and don't take the suggestion, and if I keep following my own path, then this beautiful companionship is going to break apart. It's not going to break apart. There is value in their suggestion, there is value in your path. Consider this: when the birds fly out to bring food for the nest, or twigs to build the nest, they go in different directions. It's not necessary that they are looking for food in the same direction, but they all come back to the same nest. So it's like this. And on the path, both of you will encounter different things, but the vision of building something, creating something with a larger community independently with your own ideas is the same. Now, what might be you or the other person might be escaping is that both of you are like a mirror to each other, right? And sometimes this person is looking at you and wondering that, is this person going in the right direction? And you are also doing the same thing, asking, is this person going in the right direction? So it is okay to follow your own dreams and make a move in that direction. Take the steps.